So if you're following me on Instagram, then you already know that I bought a new house, and if you're not following me on Instagram, then now you know. So today in this video, I thought why not to show you my new house, because that's what everybody have been asking me. I hope you guys are ready for my new house tour. But before that, I would like to show you guys this. Okay, so this is the place where I usually work from. You can call it my desk. Actually, it's an old dining table, but then isko maine apna desk bana liya. So I'll just tell you what all stuff I have on this table. I have my Asus ROG laptop, जिसपे मैं काम करता हूँ, editing करता सब करता हूँ. Previously, I was using this computer, but then since I've got the Asus ROG, I just love this laptop. Okay, so I have my phone, power bank, mostly connected to my phone because I'm making a hell lot of calls, hell lot of messages through this phone. This is my touring helmet, a Soul helmet, and this is my LS2, which I'm using nowadays for my daily use. My Nikon camera is inside this one. My headphones, my second GoPro, the GoPro Hero 5, the GoPro Hero 4 is connected to the touring helmet. My lenses, camera bag. This is actually my old drone backup box, which I'm going to throw very soon. मैं थोड़ा अंदर कुछ भी stuff भर देता हूँ. इसके अंदर मेरे gloves हैं, touring gloves and extra mic for the camera. And few other stuff I have, you know, selfie stick and all that. This is basically, it has all the GoPro का accessories. इसके अंदर Hero 5 का mostly box and everything. Wrist mount, helmet mount, camera mount, all the extra mounts are there. Whenever I need it, I can just, you know, look into this bag and I can use it. And also this side I have my both the panniers, and इसके अंदर this is my Rhinox tank bag. Especially if you have a metal tank on your bike, just go for it. This is my liners in case if I want to use it. And इसके अंदर usually, okay, this is the GoPro charger. You know, on the go. Whenever I want to use it, I can use it. This is, I'm not using it every day. This is especially for touring. And yeah, this is the rubber gloves. Whenever I'm traveling during winter season, so you can wear it inside your gloves. And then you can wear your gloves, थोड़ा ठंडी कम लगेगी. This is a Buddha frame given to me by one of my subscribers. That's my mom's picture. And ये है, this is my 100K silver play button. The reason it's there and not here, because यहाँ पर वो ट्यूबलाइट में लग रहा था. That is the reason I kept it there. And the reason I showed you this because today I'm going to be moving half of the things from here to my new house. I don't think it's a good idea, but then I don't have any choice.
Ground floor. Fifth floor. Punch. Due to the security reasons, I have to put the curtains, because if I'll show you what's outside, then chances are some of you will guess what's the location, and I don't want my house address to get leaked. I hope you guys understand, because my mom is like super pissed that मेरा पुराना घर का एड्रेस बहुत लोगों को पता है. And then okay guys, welcome to my new house. This is the door from where I'm going to enter the house, and this is my hall or drawing room or whatever you want to call it. This is the favorite part of my house because it's big, and you know what, if I want I can play some indoor cricket also over here. And please don't mind, I might gonna sweat because I've switched off the fans, because this is the second time I'm shooting and fan ka noise aa raha tha, so it was not looking nice. And this is a place where I'm going to be keeping my helmet and other stuff fit. मेरे अंदर का बच्चा भी जिंदा है. And this is a dining table selected by my mother. This is not my choice, it's my mom's choice. We didn't go for the big one because
we have a very bad habit of eating our food inside our room and not on the dining table. I hope ये घर पे आने के बाद थोड़ी habit सुधर जाए. This house is not completely ready, guys. We still have to put a lot of stuff. So यहाँ पर एक air condition आएगा and यहाँ पर एक बड़ा TV आएगा. We still have to buy 2 television, one for my mom's room and one for the hall. And this is a mini temple. इसका light I think ये है. Yeah, see? ये आएगा और also see this? I don't know how well you can see this, but this is my mom's room, this is my sister's room. So I'll just give you a sneak peek. Bus. This is that I can't show because strict warning has been given to me by my sister that I cannot show her room in my vlogs. This is my mother's room. Hello internet. यहाँ पर she's gonna keep all the god का statue. Okay, यहाँ पर एक है. इसमें कुछ भजन वजन आता है. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं ये बजता है इसमें. And socket for the television. So there's going to be one television over here, one television outside, one television in my sister's room, but there's going to be no television in my room. That's where my room is. I'm going to be showing you at the end. मेरे room में कोई television नहीं रहेगा because I don't like watching TV. This is our cupboard, and if you can notice, all the keychain is Moh Mechanical's keychain. In fact, inside also is Moh Mechanical keychain. And what is this? ये देखो, ये मेरी mom ने कितना चुरा के रखा है यार. She can do whatever she wants. So this is the washroom. I will show you. See, it's not that big, guys. It's like it's really normal. Okay, मेरी mom ने सब सामान रख भी दिया है. So we have like 3 washroom in this house. I personally wanted to go for the leather couch because this looks like little old fashioned. But then my mother loves it, so she loves it. She loves it. I can't say anything. And I wanted this one to be here because ये जगह waste जा रही है. So we have, you know, we can keep some stuff over here. And here we can keep all the expensive shoes which we'll be wearing once in a blue moon. Also, I want to share something with you. I don't know whether I should share this thing with you or no, but then I'll just share. I'm a very short-tempered guy. I mean, previously my temper was very bad, but eventually with time, मेरा temper थोड़ा control में आया. But then still, I have a very bad habit that whenever I'm fighting with my mom, I punch things around me. You know, like dining table तोड़ देता हूँ, chair तोड़ देता हूँ, and you know I punch my cup. There was a problem with my grandfather. There was a problem with my father, and obviously that's the problem with me. I think वो हर पंजाबी उसकी problem होती है. But mom has given me a strict warning कि अगर मैंने ये घर में कोई भी चीज़ को तोड़ा, because डाइनिंग टेबल के ऊपर कांच है, वो टेबल के ऊपर कांच है, एंड एज यू कैन सी मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स ओवर हियर आर सेंसिटिव. शी इज गोना थ्रो मी आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड शी गोना फॉरगेट दैट उनका कभी कोई बेटा था. मॉम, आई नो यू आर वाचिंग एंड आई नो यू नॉट गोना डू इट, बट देन आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग विद द वर्ल्ड. 5 minutes break, 5 minutes break, 5 minutes break. It's so hot, I'm sweating all around. Let's get back to business. Okay, so I'll be showing you now the guest toilet or the washroom which we have in our hall. That's I'm going to share with you. So ये शायद ये light है. Yeah, but ये तो बाहर की light है. Anyways, yeah. So this is the washroom. Again, it's a small washroom. Hello internet, what's up? Okay, and this is my kitchen. यहाँ पर सब grocery का सामान आएगा इधर. Here where we're going to keep the fridge. इधर आएगा microwave. इधर पता नहीं क्या आएगा. Either gas, we have space for 2 cylinders. Probably all the utensils. ये cutleries. ये dustbin. Now my mom is not very happy with the kitchen. She wanted a bigger kitchen. I mean, I think this is fine, you know. I would really like to request all of you to show this part to your moms or to your wife and ask them what do they think about this kitchen. I hope they like it so that I can show that comment to my mom and I can make her happy. Okay, also we have this exhaust, of course, because खिड़की उधर है. So also okay, my mummy ने रख दिया. So this is KTM bottle. This has been gifted to me by Zishan when we first met. For those of you who don't know who Zishan is my friend, and we have done a lot of rides together. Water purifier, anyone? And I don't know why मेरी mom मुझे बार-बार taunt मार रही है कि होने वाली future junior Mrs. शर्मा को तो ये किचन बहुत पसंद आना चाहिए क्योंकि आई एम श्योर उसको खाना बनाना तो आएगा ही नहीं. मॉम लोग को ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि हम लोग गलत लड़की से शादी करेंगे? हाँ मालूम है यार. Now it's time for me to show you my room. I just switched off the fan because it's gonna make a lot of noise. Okay, so this is my room. This is where I'm gonna work in the future. यहाँ बैठ के सब edit करने वाला हूँ, सब करने वाला हूँ. So, you know, and टीवी नहीं रहेगा मेरे पास. सो ये दिस हैज़ बीन गिफ्टेड टू मी बाय वन ऑफ माई कोलकाता सब. ये इधर सब मेरा cameras and everything will come over here. Probably this will fit over here also. Here I'm gonna be keeping all my silver play button and everything. And oh, मम्मी ने वॉच डाल दी. Shelves. Oh, this is where I've kept my jacket. Can you see? So basically, I have the biggest cupboard in the house so that I can keep more and more stuff inside. So अच्छा है. That's cool, right? I might gonna change the curtains and the bed sheet because I don't like this chagmag color. I want something very flat. So ये सब change करूँगा. ये तो सिर्फ temporary basis पर डाला है. And also I have my own washroom. See, this is my washroom. Again, not very big, but then it's okay. Hello again, internet. What's up? Decent size. I'm happy with it. I mean, again, bathroom में party थोड़ी करनी है, right? Now this is what I liked about my bed. ये वाला part. Can you see? I can keep my mobile probably when I'm sleeping. I can keep my mobile over here, and I can charge also. This is the best thing ever. Over here also, and charging port there also. यहाँ पे we're gonna install the air condition which is still not there. There's a place so ये निकलेगा, and I'm gonna be putting the aircon over there. I know guys, for some of you I must be sounding very weird, very kiddish, very ghareeb, but then for me having this house is a big deal guys. I can't tell you how hard I have worked so that I can buy my own house. Actually majority of the hard work is from my mother's side because मेरे dad हमेशा बोलते थे कि पैसा कमाना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, पैसा सेव करना और पैसा सही जगह पे इन्वेस्ट करना मुश्किल है. So 3 cheers for my mom. Mom, I know you're watching. तुम्हारे बिना पॉसिबल हो ही नहीं सकता था. डैड भी ये बोलते थे, मैं भी ये बोलता हूँ और मैं हमेशा बोलता रहूँगा. Actually we were supposed to buy a house 3 years back, but then sadly in December 2013 my father passed away, and after that we faced hell lot of problem guys. बहुत लोगों ने बैकआउट कर दिया, अपनों ने चीट किया हम लोगों को, फाइनेंशियली प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी हम लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा. आई विटनेस अ डिफरेंट फेज ऑफ लाइफ. यू फील दैट कोई अपना नहीं है. आई रियली मिस माई फादर. आई विश अगर आज वो होते तो देखते कि घर ले लिया है. आई रियली विश ऐसा कुछ जादू हो दैट माई फादर कुड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल फ्रॉम द अदर साइड एंड आई कुड वॉच दिस वीडियो. आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इमोशनल इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, सो थोड़ा वियर्ड लगता है, वो ड्रामेटिक. I hope you guys like this house and this video, and if anyone of you watching this video can help me with getting a good discount on an air conditioner on a television, then please contact me because मेरा बहुत खर्चा हो गया. ये न्यू बाइक थोड़ा डिले हो जाएगी, but then it's okay. A house is more important than a motorcycle. Now I know some of you are very smart and you're following me for very long and you have successfully guessed the location of my house. It's my genuine request from bottom of my heart, kindly don't share the location of my house anywhere, especially in the comment section below. वो क्या है कि a lot of people know the address of my old house, which results in 20 to 25 people coming to my house every day, which is little irritating to be very honest. I mean, my house is my personal life and my personal life is very personal. Same thing I even shared in my Instagram stories. I mean, if you know my address, the best thing to do is to send letters, to send gift. Don't take this in a negative way, okay guys? I hope you like this video guys, and please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. And as always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care and do whatever you want my lovely friends. Please मेरे घर के लिए pray करना and yeah, all the best with your life. By the way, I forgot to tell you the price of this house. The price of this house is 2.7 crores.